and then we will open the session for the participants. But very humble request that this is to take care of what has been guided by the FCRA department for opening of account. It has nothing to do with any other questions, please. So you please refrain your question only to the specific problem which you might be facing in opening the account. And also, if one person has asked the question and if you have already got the answer, kindly do not report, because Madam Manisha has given only 1 hour consent to us, and we would like to get a maximum mileage from her presence so that we can get maximum answer. So over to you, Rakesh ji.
Okay, thank you very much, Sanjay ji. Thank you. And first of all, I must thank you for organizing this webinar in such a short time. And I'm really happy to see such a good response, because more than 225 organizations have already been registered under this webinar. And I understand that this is also going on live on your Facebook page.
Yes.
And you have about 8,900 followers on your Facebook page. So it is going to a large number of NGOs all over the country. So I think, and it is first ever seminar on this topic in the presence of Manisha ji, where we can hear the solution of the problem directly from the horse's mouth. जो इसके इंचार्ज हैं FCRA सेल की, इंडिया हेड हैं स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की. और मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि पिछले 2-2.5 महीनों से जो मेरी बातचीत हुई है, आई हैड बीन इंटरेक्टिंग विद सो मेनी एनजीओस इन द लास्ट 2 to 3 months, and the biggest problem NGOs are facing at the moment is opening a SBI bank account in Delhi. और बहुत छोटे छोटे उनके बड़े मासूम से क्वेश्चंस हैं, कई परेशानियां हैं. कुछ एनजीओ बहुत रिमोट एरियाज में है, जैसे जोवट में है, बस्तर में है, झाबुआ में है, अलीराजपुर में है, राजगढ़ में है. तो वहाँ उन पे एक्सेस नहीं है उनको बैंकों का. एसबीआई की जो ब्रांचेस हैं वहाँ पे उनको कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है. तो मनीषा जी हमारे बीच में है. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस मनीषा जी. मनीषा जी इज ए सीनियर बैंकर इन स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, and she is chief manager in Delhi Connaught Place branch, and now she has been given responsibility of all India head of FCRA cell. आपको मालूम होगा कि ये सितंबर में जो नया FCRA का अमेंडमेंट आया है, उसके बाद से सरकार ने ये कंपलसरी कर दिया है कि जितनी भी FCRA रजिस्टर्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है या जिनके पास भी प्रायर परमिशंस हैं, उनको सबको अपना अकाउंट दिल्ली की पार्लियामेंट स्ट्रीट ब्रांच के अंदर खुलवाना है. तो एक साथ करीब 25,000 अकाउंट उस ब्रांच में खुलेंगे, एंड इट्स ए मैराथन वर्क, इट्स ए वेरी वेरी टीडियस जॉब. और उसके लिए एसबीआई को अपना अलग से एक सेल बनाना पड़ा, एंड मनीषा जी इज हेडिंग द सेल, एंड वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव हर विद दिस इन दिस वेबिनार टुडे. और जो एनजीओ इसमें जुड़ी हुई है उनके लिए गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स उनके सामने रखने के लिए. और आपकी जानकारी के लिए मैं ये बता दूं कि एक प्रयत्न संस्था के माध्यम से हम एक और सेमिनार कल भी कर रहे हैं, दोपहर में 12 बजे से 1 बजे के बीच में, जो मनीषा जी ने कल का भी टाइम दिया है, बिकॉज शी इज एक्सट्रीमली बिजी दीज डेज. तो जिन लोगों के क्वेश्चन आज कवर नहीं हो पा रहे हैं या कोई लोग किसी कारण से आज नहीं जुड़ पाए हैं, उनके पास एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी कल एक बार फिर से जुड़ने की. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट. मनीषा जी, हम लोगों ने कुछ क्वेश्चन जो कॉमन क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी एक समरी बनाई है, विच आर कॉमन टू एवरीबडी. तो वो जो 2-4 क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मैं आपसे पूछ लेता हूं, एंड देन वी विल गो टू डिफरेंट एनजीओज विद देयर स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम्स. मनीषा जी का अनम्यूट करिए संजय जी माइक.
यस सर, आई एम डूइंग.
यस सर, डेफिनेटली सर.
और हम दोनों के जो माइक है ना, वो हम चाहें तो अनम्यूट कर लें, हम चाहें तो म्यूट कर लें, इस तरह का कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि शायद मनीषा जी को भी बीच बीच में इंस्ट्रक्शन देना पड़ेगी अपने स्टाफ को. वो दूसरी कई चीजों में एक साथ बिजी भी रहती हैं, तो हो सकता है वो कुछ क्षणों के लिए अपना माइक म्यूट करना चाहे, या जब हम लोग बातचीत करें तो वी शुड हैव फ्रीडम टू म्यूट एंड अनम्यूट आवर माइक आवरसेल्फ. पूजा जी प्लीज.
ओके सर.
तो मनीषा जी, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे ये है कि सबसे ज्यादा परेशानी जो लोगों को आ रही है, 2 महीने 2.5 महीने हो गए उनके अकाउंट अभी तक नहीं खुले हैं, वो ये है कि लोकल ब्रांचेस जो है वो उनको कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है. द लोकल ब्रांचेस ऑफ एसबीआई आर नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग, बिकॉज पहली चीज तो उनको मालूम ही नहीं है अधिकांश लोगों को कि व्हाट इज एफसीआरए अकाउंट. उनके पास जाते हैं तो वो बोलते हैं कि नहीं, हमको कुछ नहीं मालूम क्या FCRA अकाउंट होता है। उनको यदि SOP की कॉपी होम मिनिस्ट्री की वेबसाइट से प्रिंट करके उनको दिखाते हैं तो बोलते हैं हमने कभी देखी नहीं इसको, हमको हमारी हेडक्वार्टर की तरफ से कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है। तो वो आपको इधर से उधर से इधर दौड़ाते रहते हैं। कभी NGO को बोलते हैं आप इनके पास चले जाइए, उनके पास चले जाइए, किसी को बोलते हैं कि आप दिल्ली जाइए, आपको वहां अकाउंट खुलवाना है। अच्छा, मैं आपको बता दूं कि कुछ NGOs ने अपने सारे बोर्ड मेंबर को मेटाडोर में या बड़े वैन में बिठा के दिल्ली भी गए बेचारे, और वहां से फिर उनको वापस कर दिया गया कि यदि सारे भारत के NGO हमारे यहाँ आ जाएंगे तो हम सबके अकाउंट यहाँ पे कैसे एंटरटेन कर पाएंगे उनको। तो आपको तो अपनी खुद की ब्रांच में ही जाना पड़ेगा, या वहां पे जो आपकी नियरेस्ट SBI ब्रांच है वहीं पे जाना पड़ेगा, और वही लोग आपको फैसिलिटेट करेंगे। लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो मोस्ट ऑफ द SBI ब्रांचेस स्पेशली इन द इंटीरियर प्लेसेस are not sensitized about this FCRA requirement, and they don't know anything about it, and the people are suffering because of this, and they are going from this corner to that corner, और उनको कोई उसमें वो नहीं मिल रहा है। That is first problem। और दूसरी इसी से रिलेटेड ये है कि उनको यदि वो मालूम भी है कि FCRA अकाउंट खोलना है और उनको सारे फॉर्म फिलअप करके दे देते हैं, तो वो फिर उसको उसके ऊपर बैठ जाते हैं, मतलब दे डोंट फॉरवर्ड इट टू यू, टू द दिल्ली ब्रांच। और 15 दिन बाद वापस जाते हैं तो बोले अरे हाँ, वो फॉरवर्ड तो हमने कर दिया था, या हम कर नहीं पाए, अभी हम देख लेते हैं, एक बार फिर से फॉरवर्ड करते हैं। अच्छा, ग्रीवेंस सेल के ऊपर यदि हम कोई ग्रीवेंस यदि भेजता है तो उसकी ईमेल बाउंस बैक हो जाती है। बोलते हैं कि ईमेल, वो जो ग्रीवेंस सेल की मेल बॉक्स है वो पूरी तरह से जैम हो चुका है। तो लोगों के सामने ये बड़ी परेशानी हो रही है कि हम आखिर किसको कांटेक्ट करें हमारा अकाउंट खोलने के लिए।
एक humble request है that there are many actually organizations from both north and south, and there is a struggle going on in the chat box, some saying in Hindi and some saying in English. So my humble request, if question are asked in English and ma'am can respond in English, and I can quickly translate in Hindi. I think we need to take this format because people are really want to hear from Manisha ji. So maybe you can answer in English, ma'am, then I can answer in Hindi, or maybe
Yes,
you can.
sure. Yes, sir, sure, sir. I understand what you just mentioned about opening of collection and opening of accounts by different branches of SBI. We do understand that it's a big challenge for us. Also, it's a challenge. So, what we have done, we on continuously basis we are organizing webinar with the branches also. Today also we have such sort of, so what we are also trying to inform branches, because sir, you can understand in SBI only the A and B category of forex branches were earlier dealing with FCRA.
Okay.
Or forex related thing, we have the categorized branches as per RBI instruction. But now since every branch has to accept it, so I understand that many of the interior branches must not be knowing, but we are on process of educating. Earlier we were not doing such kind of webinar because of time constraint, but now I am dedicating a good portion of my time towards it. So I hope it will be sorted out. And meanwhile, if you face such kind of problem, what I'll just in the chat box I will write the complaint email ID of FCRA. There you mention that you have visited this branch, preferably the branch name and the code, and you met. If you mention the whom you have met, that's fine. If you cannot mention, that is also fine. You just mention that on this branch I visited and I was being refused to accept the form. So what we will do in turn, we will coordinate with the branch and with the customer, and your things will be sorted out. We understand most of the time we have received such queries from different parts of the country, but we are doing this only. You mention us the details and we will coordinate with the branch. And the second, okay, I think this was your first.
Could you give that you are mentioning about some number?
Yeah, one mail ID I had just texted on the chat box, and I will be just sending you the complete contact detail of New Delhi main branch FCRSL, which includes our complaint email ID and the numbers of the concerned person also. So whenever any entity faces such problem, you just write to us on the complaint.fcra complete email ID. I'll be just writing in chat box now. So there they need to mention, and we in turn contact with the branch and try to resolve your issues maximum to the maximum possible extent.
Thank you very much, Manisha ji. Is it possible to have some nodal officers on the regional basis so that burden does not come to Delhi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have identified nodal officer at the local head office. See, for our total state bank is divided into 17 circles.
Okay.
And in 17 circle, we have identified one nodal officer to the rank of AGM. But right now, I cannot share their number because it was like a few days back only it was being done. So I need some time. So in case if you face any problem, you can also mail in CC, you can keep them. So what now we are doing, whenever you are texting us about your problem, we are keeping them in CC so that they in turn coordinate with their branches.
Okay. No, that's great. I mean, eventually, if you could do 17 officers at 17 circles, that would be very helpful, maybe in a due course of time. And we can circulate all those places and all those numbers to all the NGOs. So they can approach to the nearby circle office and get their queries solved over there.
And in case you also face and you cannot you are not able to contact us, you can always raise a complaint to the CMS of a state bank, or you can on the toll free number also, so that it comes to the knowledge of some senior authority and the things are sorted out. The number which is mentioned behind the passbook, and you can see on ATM card also, so it's available.
Okay. Now another question is, there are a number of SBI branches available in the city, but people don't know where to approach, which branch to approach. If they go to any particular branch, they will direct them to another branch. कि हमारे पास हम ये काम नहीं करते, we don't do this work. You go to another one. So do you authorize any single branch in every city?
No, sir. See, as per instruction, all branches of State Bank are authorized to collect the information, verify the things and forms at their end, and send it to us through soft copy only on the email. So what I'm noticing, somebody is also sending hard copy at the same point of time, which is creating a mere wastage of time. So everybody has to collect, every branch has to collect the form of any customer approaching them. That's why I told initially that if you face any problem, you have to let us know, because our circular instruction are very clear that all the branches have to accept it. But I understand that there is a knowledge gap, communication gap everywhere, because this is new to many of my branches. In fact, I before coming to FCRSL was not knowing much about. I was having only one FCRA customer, so I understand this kind of problem will occur. But for that, I told you to write mail to us so that we can contact the branch and try to get it sorted.
Another problem I could see is that the local branch is not getting any benefit out of it, because the account is opening at Delhi and they are not having the account. So they are least interested in.
I understand these all are operational issues and we are trying our best to reach them. There is no such thing like what benefit to get. We are not every time motivated towards the benefit. This is a nationwide call and we should accept it and move it. So they should not see what benefit we are getting. So I understand. So what I would like to convey through this webinar, so if any entity is facing any technical issues and unclear instruction regarding how to fill the forms, etc., so they can be guided well, because I understand all these problems and there is the solution I can always share is the contact and email IDs of the person. So instead of going about the same question in a different way, I'll suggest to let entities speak about their issues, like they must be having, I think you must be receiving a lot of, I can see in chat box a lot of thing is coming up, so I will check later and revert to it.
Yeah.
So I understand this thing is there and we are trying our best.
Already there are 256 people already joined in this webinar, 257, and
Yes.
there are 71 chats in the chat box.
Yes.
Another thing related to this is that many of the people are complaining that the SBI is insisting them that please open all the bank account of your board members and your signatories in SBI. Suppose you have 5 signatories and they have account in different other banks like ICICI Bank or Axis Bank or other bank. SBI is insisting that unless you open their account in our bank, we will not process your application. Many people are complaining this.
Sir, I understand there is two things involved in this. We are not insisting on opening of account. All we need is the customer ID of all these individuals. And the problem is that as per PMLA Act, if you go by Prevention of Money Laundering Act, it is required to identify the owner of the trust. So many of the trusts coming with us, they are saying that these are the owners, but these are our signatories, and we will give the details of only signatories. So let me clear rate. Suppose you are an entity, you are the owner of this entity. I am an employee of your entity, and you have given me certain transaction right that you can transact on my behalf for suppose 5 lakh rupees check. So I never and I will not become the owner of the trustee. So identification of the controlling person or so-called owner is very much required. And at the time of opening of account, we have to link all these persons CIF number, that is customer ID number, to the account also. That's why we are asking for the customer ID, which is mandatory for this FCRA, but not for the account opening. See, there is two process in account opening. One is creation of customer ID and another is account opening. So most of the people who at any point of their time have any relationship with State Bank, like PPF, like Sukanya, like anything, if they have in SBI, their customer ID is already created. All they have to do is to show their KYC with any branch. If they don't recall by themselves, they have to show it to any nearby branch. They will try to find it out for you. And if it is not there, then you have to fill up the part 1 of account opening form, that is CIF creation part, and you have to give it.
Okay. Even some people are already having their account in FCRA, which will become another FCRA account eventually. So they have their existing FC account in State Bank of India only, but they are also facing problem. Otherwise, it should be opened with the help of CIF. But do they also have to fill up all the KYC requirement and everything?
Sir, I didn't get you. KYC thing for what?
Suppose there is an organization, for example, in Mumbai, they have their original existing FCRA account in SBI itself. In
Yes,
SBI,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, see, transfer of account is not allowed in SBI. So for every FCRA account, they have to submit all the paper to the branch, and the existing CIF will be used as utilization account. Their product code in CVS need to be changed, and then new AOF to be submitted.
Okay, so whether you are having your original account or existing account in SBI or non-SBI, it doesn't make any difference. You have to do all the formalities, just like a new account.
ये मैम का जब आएंगी तो उनका अनम्यूट कर दीजिएगा पूजा.
वो खुद नहीं कर
नहीं,
पाएंगे.
I did of my own. I was just having a call. Sorry. So, sir, what did you ask?
So what I'm saying is that whether you are having your existing account in SBI or non-SBI bank, it doesn't make any difference. You have to do all the formalities, whether you have it in SBI or you are not having it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But the only thing need to be done if you have the main account with SBI at other branch is to change the product code of that account. Okay, that for that branches are informed, or you can while submitting the form you can say that please change my existing FCRA account to normal utilization account so that we can open FCRA account here.
Okay. Is
That
there
will
any
be done
time limit?
automatically by our technical department also after successful implementation opening of all these NGOs account, suppose in whichever month we complete. So after that we will run a software through which all other these FCRA account in other branch will be closed, or will be like their code will be changed. So that is not the issue, but all you have to do is to submit the form and just ask your branch to change the product code of their existing FCRA account.
Okay. Is there any time frame to open the bank account, or how people can follow?
31st March.
No.
Forget that.
After submitting the application.
No, sir, there is actually we are following the minimum deadline. We are trying to open an account within a week time, but the problem we are coming is the account opening form is not complete in so many aspects. This is the time consuming thing. Otherwise, if everything is okay and you are submitting me today, your account opening letter I can give tomorrow.
Okay, so I think I would like to ask you at this point is, what are the difficulties you are facing as a banker in opening these accounts? Like, what are the common mistakes people are doing in filling up the form?
Sir, okay, I will brief up about that. They keep somebody is writing in Hindi also, so I'll try to speak in both so that things will be clear to them. So you can open either savings or current, but opening of savings account, you should provide us 12A or 12AA certificate issued by the income tax. Because see, the motive of the thing is that your entire income should be exempted from tax. Then only we are in position to open savings account. So clearly mention that what account you want in your board resolution also and in the account opening form. Because what what is happening, most of the clients in board resolution, they are taking savings account, and in account opening form, they are taking current account. This is creating a lot of confusion. Sometimes we open current account and then customers say, no, we want savings, then we have to close, and so many things are then disturbed. And the second thing is, please go through your quorum, read your deed, identify where the word quorum is written, because your board resolution should be signed as per the quorum. If your quorum say that 2/3 member is eligible to sign the board resolution, then please make ensure that that much person, minimum that much person has signed on the BR. And if your trustee specifically have given somebody right, like suppose a president, that only president can open and do the things, then it should be clear. Just highlight it everything before you submit it to the branch, so that we at a glance can read it. So please go through your quorum. Your quorum say everything. And the third issue which we are facing is identification of controlling person, which I said in initially also, that if signatories can be different and the honors are always different. I have this pen belongs to me, I can give it to you for to use it, right? But the honor of this pen will be me only. So what people are confusing, they are saying that we will provide the KYC and annexure 2. See, annexure 2 is the personal information of all these persons, and we need annexure 2 for both the signatories and the honor. So every time all the entity give us for their signatories, but they are very reluctant to give it to their owner. So without that, I understand that most of the owner are I even opened account where chief ministers are involved, and big persons are involved, I understand. But this is a requirement of bank under PMLA Act. We are being guided by PMLA Act for that. So just after through any means, if you can speak to your NGOs, just make them think that we have to identify the owner also. And after identification, their separate annexure 2 to be filled and their name to come on annexure 4.
Okay. So whom you consider as owner? Like if we talk about a society,
yes, sir.
Let me
All
finish
the
it.
key position holder are the owners. Like in society, the chairman, vice chairman, treasurer, secretary, all these are key positions. So these 4 people has to be there. And if there is vice chairman also, it depends on your society also. If you have only chairman, not vice chairman, so all the key position holder, say top 4, top 5 are the controlling person. So on annexure 4, their name should be written and signed by them, and separate annexure 2 to be filled by them.
So let me clarify it for the NGOs. Suppose there is a society where the society has 15 members in the general body, and then they have an executive committee of 7 members, and that executive committee contains president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, joint secretary, and 2 executive members. So all those 7 people has to fill up the KYC. Is it correct?
Yes, and annexure 2. And their CIF to be created at respective places, and their CIF number to be mentioned on annexure 2. If you see annexure 2, page number 8, 9, 10 of account opening form, there you have to write the CIF number, their signature, their photographs.
Okay, so you don't need to fill up KYC of all the 15 members or all the general body members. It is only the key person.
Only the key persons and the signatories. If the key persons are the signatories, then no need. But if your signatories are different from the key person, then you have to mention there also. And sir, list of members also should be clear. See, all these trust and society deeds are very old. So if you see members are not, and as per Society Act, every change in member has to be informed to the registrar in society case. But I as per my experience in the last 3 months, I am noticing that most of the NGOs entities are not doing that. And in trust also, you have to get the amended trust. If your members have changed, you have to inform them. So in that case, either provide the amended deed or the registrar stamp acknowledgement copy of registrar about change of member, or you have to provide this FC6 FC6 from Darpan portal, which mention Sir,
From
sorry,
MHA,
FC4.
from
FC4.
MHA, from
FC4. FC4. You have to provide from Darpan portal. So and you have to write on letterhead also. You have to mention the present member name. See, if your deed is new and the members are same, then all these formalities are not needed. But how, as a banker, I will know that who are the current person who have signed the BR, who is authorized to sign. So for that, I need to assure that who are the members. So first of all the entities have to provide the list of members in their letterhead, and secondly, to back it, either they provide us amended deed or the registrar acknowledged copy, or third is FC4.
Okay.
Most of the people are asking MLM. Does MLM? Okay. See, MLM stands for multi-level marketing. In new account opening form, there you have to just take if your company, all the NPOs, non-profit organization, entities, NGO who are dealing with FCRA are not having a multi-level marketing, as far as I know. So in that case, you have to just tick in the form. But since in the beginning of FCRA account opening, we have shared the old form where this MLM clause was not there in the form. So if you have the MLM clause in the form, you just tick it, and if you don't have it, then you have to mention in your letterhead as per the format provided to you on the mail. You just type it there and get it signed. MLM is nothing but just a declaration from your side that your company is not MLM.
Mhm. And just for clarification, I would like to say that there is no need of amendment in the trust deed or society bylaws for changing of members, but your present member should be certified from the registrar. If
Yes.
it is a society, then registrar of society should certify it. If it is a trust, then registrar of trust should certify it. Or if it is a Section 8 company, then ROC should certify that these are the present members. So that will be your backup document.
Yeah.
And then on the front, you have to write on the letterhead of the organization that these are our present key members, और उन
Their
सब का
designation. Yeah.
आपको KYC
जी,
सबमिट
मेरे थोड़ा सा मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है राकेश जी, इसमें आपकी हमारी बातचीत हुई थी कि ट्रस्ट एक्ट में it is difficult to get the new members endorsement by the registrar, but definitely you had said that it is mandatory to get clearance from the FCRA department. So, and there is a form mentioned, and it is also applicable for those who have applied, who have changed their member after the FCRA is granted for 5 years. Yeah,
Sanjay ji, there are 3 agencies involved. Actually, bank should have a proof that whatever members you have written on your letter page, they are your present members. So either it should be certified by the registrar of that trust or society, or it should be certified by the FCRA department,
right,
or it should be certified by the Darpan ID portal, because now you have to fill up the form in Darpan ID also. So one of the 3 agencies must certify that these are the present list of governing board members and these are your key members, so that bank can believe that yes, they are the members for which they have to take the KYC.
Mittal sir, I don't know, maybe I'll talk to you about after this webinar, but for I think trust, we need acknowledgement at Commissioner of Charity Office or not. I am not very confirmed.
Manisha ji, Charity Commissioner is applicable only in Maharashtra and Gujarat. So the trusts which are registered in Maharashtra and Gujarat, they have to take a permission from Charity Commissioner. In rest of the India, Charity Commissioner or Bombay Public Trust Act is not applicable.
Okay, thanks.
But they have their respective laws. I mean, they have respective state trust act or society act. So their registrar can confirm it. Normally society, it is very easy. In trust, थोड़ी सी problem होती है.
We don't ask कि registrar आपको approve ही करके दे. अगर उनकी मोहर भी लग गई है ना आपके application पे, तो that is fine with us.
हाँ, मतलब आपने you can present a list of present governing board की एक list, 2 कॉपी में लिस्ट बना के रजिस्ट्रार को आप प्रेजेंट कर दीजिए, एक कॉपी पे वो रख लेंगे, दूसरी पे सील लगा के आपको दे देंगे. Even that is also enough.
बिल्कुल. और सर इनिशियली आपने मुझे जो बोला था कि ब्रांचेस फॉर्म को लेके बैठ जाती, फॉर दैट जो हमारा सर्कुलर है, इट क्लियरली मेंशन कि व्हेनेवर द एप्लीकेशन इज रिसीव्ड, आप उसको भेजते हो तो कस्टमर को भी सीसी में रखना है, और आप अपना भी जो फॉर्म है उसके ऊपर स्पेशल जो ईमेल आईडी उसको हाईलाइट कर दीजिए. ब्रांच को भी बोलिए कि सर मुझे सीसी में चाहिए ये मेल, तो आपको भी पता रहेगा कि वो आया है कि नहीं आया. सपोज इन अ डे और 2 यू डू नॉट गेट दैट मेल, तो देन यू कैन अप्रोच द ब्रांच, बिकॉज इन वन ऑफ द केस इट हैपेंड कि कस्टमर ने जमा किया, 10-15 दिन के बाद ब्रांच से हमारे पास फॉरवर्ड आया. तो कस्टमर शुड इन बिटवीन only proof you take is to sir CC में mark करिए या give me the acknowledgement copy. तो better ask them to give you the link.
मनीषा जी, ब्रांच वाले कई बार बोलते हैं इट इज अ वेरी सीक्रेट डॉक्यूमेंट, इट इज अ कॉन्फिडेंशियल ईमेल, सो वी कैन नॉट सीसी
नहीं,
यू।
but in this
आपके
case,
सामने बम्बई का केस आया होगा, एक जो 15 दिन तक ब्रांच मैनेजर ने दबा
हाँ,
के रखा था।
शायद मैं
हाँ।
उसी के रेफरेंस बोल रहा हूँ। उसमें एक्चुअली सीसी में मेंशन करना है, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि हम लोग भी जो आफ्टर कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं ना, वी आर कीपिंग इट इन सीसी सो दैट
हाँ,
कि कस्टमर भी अवेयर हो। और सर देखिए,
वही।
अल्टीमेटली मोटिव जो है हमारा इज टू स्ट्रीमलाइन द प्रोसेस, और वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट कि हम डेडलाइन से पहले इसको कर पाए, बट यू नो वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम, सो वी आर इन फैक्ट कॉलिंग द कस्टमर एंड द ब्रांच ऑल्सो, समटाइम्स वी आर टेकिंग देम ऑन कॉल, सो थ्रू ऑल पॉसिबल मेजर्स वी आर ट्राइंग.
Actually, that Bombay fellow is also my client, and when you CC'd him in replying to the branch manager, then only they came to know that it was sent after 15 days. तो उसके बाद से फिर ब्रांच मैनेजर उनको हर कॉपी का सीसी करने लगा, लेकिन पहले उन लोगों ने सीसी उसमें नहीं किया। तो अभी इसमें किसी ने चैट बॉक्स में भी पूछा है कि यदि ब्रांच मैनेजर काम कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहा है तो उसकी शिकायत किससे की जाए?
सर सी शिकायत नहीं है, बट मैंने कंप्लेंट वाला अभी ईमेल आईडी चैट बॉक्स के ऊपर डाला है, आप उसको डालिए, इट विल कम टू अस, वी विल कोऑर्डिनेट विद द ब्रांच। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन। सेकंड ऑप्शन इज द टोल फ्री नंबर, मैं इसको भी डाल देती हूँ। जनरली ये एटीएम या पासबुक के पीछे दिस टोल फ्री नंबर कम्स 1800112211, ये टोल फ्री नंबर होता है। एक सीएमएस हमारा पोर्टल है, देयर आल्सो यू कैन राइट कि यू हैव अप्रूव, वो भी मैं थोड़ी देर में देख के आपको चैट बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी। तो दीज आर द 3 पॉसिबल वेज जिसके थ्रू आप अपना इंफॉर्मेशन सीनियर अथॉरिटीज को डाल सकते हैं।
ओके।
एंड रीजनल ऑफिसेज भी होते हैं, सपोज इफ द ब्रांच इज नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग, तो आपका नियर बाय जो भी उस ब्रांच का कंट्रोलिंग ऑफिस है, यू कैन विजिट देयर आल्सो।
एक बार actually when you start sensitizing your branches and when you start taking webinars for the branches, they will understand the gravity of it and they will also start cooperating, I think.
Yes sir, that's what we have.
It will take time, but it will eventually it will happen.
By next weekend, all the branches will be on these connected through webinars.
संजय जी, अपन कुछ स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन लेना शुरू करें?
तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आई मे humbly request participants to ask very politely questions, and as we understand that the State Bank also going through their internal control system, and they have already started webinar etc, but still you might be facing problems. So let us just focus upon not on the cooperation from getting from SBI, but also what kind of questions been asked and how you are facing problem. So मैम, एक दो क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास भी हैं जो मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझसे पूछे। इज वन दैट कि क्या जितने भी ये बैंक अकाउंट में जो those who will be signatories, so somebody said that the bank was insisting that give us detail of the entire banks of all your trustees. It is not about SBI only. For example, if I am the treasurer of the trust, they were asking all bank account, whether it is SBI or Canara.
No, sir, that is completely. I don't know.
Okay, so let us.
Lack of knowledge, I must say, and it should not happen. I am feeling bad about it. It should not happen to anybody. There is no relation with treasurer having a loan or having account. There is nothing like that. The only thing which bank need, in which I am working to resolve this issue, is that we need to take Annexure 5 that the entity is not enjoying any credit facility. If they are enjoying credit facility with any other bank, in that case they have to provide NOC from that bank as per existing rule of account opening. But we are looking into aspect where this, especially for FCRA customer, if it can be avoided. So I'll not comment on that as of now. When I will confirm, I will personally let you know. Meanwhile, you don't have to provide any personal like banking details at all to any bank. In fact, so all you need to do is to provide the banking details. Banking details means only if you are enjoying any credit kind of facility with other bank.
Okay, great. Thank you. So now the forum is open for the questions. Humbly raise your hands.
मुझे और कहनी है मनीषा जी, in your account opening form there are so many irrelevant questions which are not applicable to NGOs. So since you have to open 25,000 accounts from all over India, can SBI come out with a specific account opening form especially for FCRA purpose for these NGOs?
No, sir. See, there is a thing. We are actually being guided by so many things to club and form anything. See, all these AOFs, account opening forms, are being guided by IBA. Indian Banking Associations, है ना, Indian Bank. It's a common form available with all the banks. We cannot make any change unless it is being approved by all the banks association. So if you go to Syndicate Bank also and ask for current account opening, we will get the same form. So any, because for me also it is very tough. I also demanded, sir, if anything can be done for FCRA to make it so smoother, because there it's variant is mentioned. For variant, suppose variant comes only for current account, जो हम normal current account किसी company की खोलते हैं. I know it has nothing to do with FCR. In that case, you have to simply ignore it. So what we are trying, we are making one sample, we are filling one sample form, so that I will share to you maybe in
That
a
would
day
be
or
very
two.
good. That would
Monday
That will
I'll
be
share
really
with
good
you.
if you send us the.
That would be great if you
yes.
can share with us the sample form.
One field, yeah. That I can do.
That's great. Thank you. So we have Avijit Roy and Arjun Jashi ji who have raised hand. So may I request to just open for Avijit Roy, please, first, their audio.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. This is Avijit Roy. Actually, I managed to open my account in SBI.
Wow.
Thank you for the help. And it has really, I appreciate the SBI Delhi branch. It has been done within 7 days, as they promised. Madam, the question is come to my mind. I don't have any checkbook and not a net banking option. How do I operate after this account? After this account has been opened.
I understand. See, have you provided your FC6, like you have with account number, have you applied to MHA and you have provided us amended the registration?
Yeah, I have given Darpan ID as because my registration is under.
नहीं, आपको जब letter
Abhijit ji, let me clarify this. SBI में account खोलना is not enough. This is the first step. After you open your bank account in State Bank of India, New Delhi, you have to fill up Form 6C to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and they will approve your bank account number and bank account detail, and you have to give that information to the SBI Delhi again. Then only they will allow you to operate. So that will be the second step, and you have to follow the second step also. The opening of SBI account is only the first step. But after that, you get a confirmation letter from them that your account is opened and your account number is this, and then you upload that in Form 6C to Form FC6C with the Ministry of Home Affairs. And once they approve it, then only you can start operating with the bank.
हाँ, आपको उसको अप्रूव कॉपी बैंक को देनी है, आइदर थ्रू मेल, और अगर किसी को भेज के दे रहे हैं तो आपको देनी है. वी विल फीड इट इन आवर सिस्टम. वो सिस्टम में फीड करना बहुत जरूरी. देन ओनली वी विल बी रिमूविंग योर स्टॉप. सी, एवरी एफसीआरए अकाउंट जो हम ओपन करते हैं उसको फीड करके रखते हैं.
हटा दिया हमने हाथ.
हेलो
प्लीज
हाँ, संजय जी, next.
नेक्स्ट थैंक यू अभिजीत जी, थैंक यू आपके सवाल के लिए. अब हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, सॉरी, आई लाइक टू ऐड, बिकॉज ये दूसरों के भी सवाल हो सकते हैं. अभिजीत रॉय के जो सवाल है, तो उनको अप्रूवल की कॉपी लेके बैंक को देना है. बैंक उसके बाद फ्रीज हटाएगा इनके अकाउंट से. उसके बाद आप इंटरनेट बैंकिंग खुद अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. चेकबुक हम खुद अप्लाई करते हैं जब फ्रीज हटाते हैं, एंड विद इन 1 वीक टाइम यू विल गेट द चेकबुक फॉर ट्रांजेक्शन. एंड इंटरनेट बैंकिंग के लिए आपको खुद अप्लाई करना है. यनो बिजनेस हमारा वेब पेज है, वहां आप जाइए. आप अपना नंबर भी मुझे नोट करवा सकते हैं तो करवा दीजिए. आई विल गेट वन कॉल अरेंज टू यू, तो ही विल गाइड यू रिगार्डिंग ओपनिंग ऑफ दिस ओपनिंग ऑफ इंटरनेट बैंकिंग, ऑपरेशन ऑफ.
नंबर चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिएगा.
चैट बॉक्स में भेज दीजिए.
ठीक है, तो आप INB खुद चला सकते हैं. फॉर एवरी ऑल द एंटिटी आप इंटरनेट बैंकिंग खुद रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. रजिस्टर करने के बाद आपको साइन करना है. साइन करके हमें डिस्पैच करना है वो फॉर्म, एंड इट विल बी एक्टिवेटेड.
Okay,
Thank you,
madam.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. May I request to open for Mr. Johnny Anthony? Johnny Anthony. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am really thank you for conducting this webinar. Actually, my chairman sir told me that about this webinar he could not attend. So as a secretary, I'm a very young secretary of the trust. So I I attended this webinar. So actually, as I had asked, and I heard Mittal sir also speaking, that in Mumbai, we are under the Charity Commissioner. So we have already got an order from the Charity Commissioner of the new trustees. So with that order, I had applied for SBI. So my form work in the Nerul branch has been done totally. So I didn't have any
Wow.
obstacle in Nerul branch, but the obstacle is from the Delhi side, where I have been told that I have to submit a stamp of list of trustees under registrar or Darpan ID. Darpan ID we could not do because my mom, who is the founder of the trust, is a foreigner. My dad is an Indian, so my mom is a foreigner. She doesn't have an Aadhaar card, and we tried to apply for Aadhaar card. We are not getting her Aadhaar card done. So that's why Darpan ID is not open. Today we went to the registrar office. The registrar officer said that she does not know anything about this stamping, and she will not attest the copy of the trust. Though we gave all her the order of commissioner, charity commissioner, she said, I am not going to stamp. So in this case, I am stuck on both the ends. So she's saying you go to charity commissioner. I already have the charity commissioner stamped on the new trustee list.
Okay, Johnny, thank you so much for your question.
I
Thank
will
you,
I will
sir.
answer that. See, if you have got this कि आपको registrar से करके आना, maybe this happened because ये दो states के, because today only I had asked him about this two states specifically. So maybe they didn't take a heed कि आप उस state से हो. So I will look into your case, and if you have provided the acknowledgement copy of this charity commissioner, that is fine. And if the members are current members, then it is fine. So what is your trust name? Trust name?
Johnny, what is your trust name?
You can write it in chat box.
Yeah, you can
trust
write on
name
the
and
chat
the
box.
branch name.
And I would like to clarify here that those who are from Maharashtra and Gujarat, if they have a charity commissioner order, that should be enough. You don't need to go to another society registrar or anywhere else. Secondly, as you said that your mom is not available here, she is foreigner and have no Aadhaar card. I would like to mention here that for Darpan ID portal, you need minimum only 3 minimum board of directors or trustees or executive committee member. So with 3 members, you can have a Darpan ID. And later on, you can add your other members also into that. So at least you can start having a Darpan ID, and you can start communicating with the Niti Aayog with that.
Yes, excuse me,
Johnny,
sir. We
thank
have
you, Johnny. Your question is over. Thank you. Other people are waiting. So may I request Snigdha Sarkar ji,
Johnny,
please.
please put it on the chat box if you have
Chat
any
box
more
में डालो.
questions.
जी.
Yeah, because we are giving all the chat box detail to Manisha ji after that, after the webinar.
Snigdha Sarkar ji, yes.
Hello.
जी ma'am.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. We are at the moment undergoing renewal process, and we have to open this account in SBI. We applied in the month of November. I think we submitted by 28th of November. And the process is still going on. 2-3 times the bank asked us to submit some papers. We did. And I spoke to the branch manager today also. She's as such quite helpful. But the thing is, we have still not got the account open. And unless we can complete the whole process of account opening and uploading in the ministry website, we just have 1 week left to do so. So because I just thought I'm in a desperate situation, so I'll take this opportunity and talk to you that how you can help me.
Ma'am, is your form submitted to New Delhi main branch, or it is still stuck with the branch? Hello?
Hello, Snigdha जी. आपके लिए पूछ रही हैं मैम कुछ, स्निग्धा? अच्छा, वो बोल नहीं पाएंगी, उनका शायद म्यूट. हाँ,
No, it's okay. Yeah, I'm unmuted. Somehow I got muted. Yeah, we have submitted all the papers. What the branch manager madam told me this morning is that they have sent the soft copies. They are waiting for some clarification from the Delhi branch. Then they will be courier sent.
Okay, so you tell me your your NGO trust name and the branch code if possible with you in the chat box. I'll check this this after this webinar.
Okay, thanks so much. Yeah, I'll just do it right away. I'll
Thank
put
you.
it in the chat box. Thank you.
Thank you, Snigdha ji. Next, Sanjay Joshi ji. हाँ, Sanjay Joshi.
Yeah. So I have a continued question from what was earlier shared. So opening of bank account in SBI would mean that the account number is there. However, you are saying that unless the MHA approves it, it is not going to be operational.
Yes.
So in the meantime, suppose the bank account is opened with the SBI and the MHA approval takes another, say, 15 days. Can we receive funds within this account, or can we use the earlier account that we have to receive FCRA money? Because otherwise the operation is getting stuck.
Sir,
Sanjay ji, the last date for opening, last date for using your existing bank account is 31st March. So in any case, you cannot receive any money in your existing bank account after 31st March 2021. And you have to finish all the formalities before that. So better to start as early as possible.
No, sir.
And suppose you
my-
don't get it, suppose you don't get your account open, or if you don't get approval from the Home Ministry, you have to wait until that time, in my opinion.
No,
sir,
sir. I am
I will
saying-
answer. I will
Yeah,
answer that. See, you have basically have two questions. पहला जो आपका सवाल है कि अगर meanwhile आप अपना existing gadget mention that 31 मार्च या date of opening with SBI, अगर आपका यहाँ पे account number generate हो गया, you are not allowed to receive money in any other account. So better अगर आपका अकाउंट ओपन हुआ है कि नहीं आई डोंट नो, बट अगर नहीं हुआ है तो आपका जो भी इनवर्ड आने वाला है, जहां भी आने वाला है, उसको मंगा लीजिए, फिर ओपन कीजिए. वंस इट गेट ओपन विद NDMB, योर प्रीवियस अकाउंट यू कैन नॉट रिसीव मनी. सेकेंडली, अगर आपका MHA से अप्रूवल नहीं आया है तो इनवर्ड, सर देखिए क्रेडिट उसमें फ्रीज है, उसमें पैसा आ नहीं सकता, और जो पैसा बाहर से हमें हिट करता है उसको हम एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम तक होल्ड कर सकते हैं. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑल दीज आर चैरिटी एंड डोनेशन, तो एक बार वापस चला जाएगा तो इट विल बी not easy for you to get it back. So what I suggest कि आप परमिशन लें. मैंने 6 घंटे में भी लोगों को परमिशन लाते हुए देखा है. So you have to follow up with MHA.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sanjay Joshi sir. Rupika Dhillon ji.
Sir, can you say next?
जी, next है Rupika Dhillon, please.
Okay.
Rupika Dhillon.
और किसी को ले लीजिए यदि और उनको टाइम लग रहा है तो.
और जिनके हैंड्स बने हैं उनमें से किसी को खोल दीजिए प्लीज. ठीक.
Yes, I'm just.
उनका अनम्यूट कीजिए रुपिका जी का.
Yes, sir, I am doing. उनका आ रहा है कि वो later she will.
Yeah, no, I am
जी,
ready.
Rupika,
Yeah,
Yes.
please, Rupika.
yeah, thank you so much to the organizers. Earlier, I had very apprehensions regarding this FCRA account opening in SBI, but once I entered the 4th floor, the management was very good. The officers were very good. I was able to open the account of the organization within 3 days. So thank you so much for that cooperation. So I have 2 inquiries. The first question is that the team informed me that the checkbooks are dispatched. So what about the passbook? I won't be able to get a passbook. And my second question is that the same account has to be used for the utilization purpose, or we can use the earlier account. So I have 2 questions to the ma'am.
Ma'am, first of all, thanks a lot. It was really required at this point of time, and further all these entities who are connected, because if you see, they are also facing a lot of problem. So I understand, and I told earlier that if your form is complete, we will not take more than like another day it will be open. So coming to your question, is it savings account or current account, ma'am?
It's a saving account.
For saving account, passbook can be taken from any branch, any nearby branch. And secondly, your utilization, you have activated internet banking?
No, not yet.
That you can register of your own if you want that, and send the signed PDF to us, it will be activated. And secondly, that account can be used at utilization account. If you see your MHA permission, there also it clearly mentioned that this account is your main plus the utilization account. So for utilization, there is 2 things. That account particularly can be used for utilization also, and you can open another utilization account to whichever bank you desire. So both is.
Yeah, thank you so much. But I like to talk to my team that it only takes 3 days at SBI if your documents are completed. There are no hassle. I did not have. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Jeba Singh Joshi, इसको खोल दीजिए.
इसमें शोर नहीं हो रहा, ये कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
जेबा सिंह ज्योति.
सुबह शोर हो रहा है.
Yes, sir, I'm just.
ये सबको म्यूट कर दिया.
तो हम नहीं कर सकते, समझेगा सर?
But it's showing she will open in a while.
Okay,
Can-
so any another whom you
Okay.
seeing people have raised hand? जी.
Yes, yes.
Actually,
Anshuman Agrawal is.
हाथ नहीं उठाना चाहिए जो तैयार नहीं है, please don't raise
ठीक
your
है।
hand.
अंशुमन अग्रवाल जी, हाँ, लोगों ने हाथ खड़े करके छोड़ दिए एक्चुअली। अंशुमन सर बताइए जी प्लीज।
Sir, two things I wanted to ask was that how do we get to know the status of our account if the local branch has accepted the papers and sent it across to the main branch? How does one get to know the status of the account? Because the local branch doesn't know and we have no update as of now.
सर उसी का जवाब मैंने पहले दिया है कि जब भी आप फॉर्म सबमिट करें यू ट्राई नहीं यू हैव टू आस्क देम टू गिव द मेल सीसी टू यू आल्सो, तो सीसी में आपके पास आएगा, यू विल कम टू नो कि इट हैज कम एंड व्हाट एट न्यू दिल्ली मेन ब्रांच वी आर डूइंग फॉर एवरी कम्युनिकेशन रिगार्डिंग अकाउंट ओपनिंग वी आर सेंडिंग इट टू द कस्टमर एज वेल, द आईडी प्रोवाइडेड इन द फॉर्म or in the mail itself, so there only you will come to know about the status of your account opening.
Ma'am, so again, sorry to interrupt, but our account is in Visakhapatnam, and they accepted a hard copy, and they told us they've sent the hard copy. They probably never sent out a soft copy to you guys.
This is the blunder they are doing. I don't know. Most our mail itself say that. You see, what is the modus operandi? Modus operandi is never to send the hard copy, because once you send the hard copy, things become much more complicated. What will happen if I need a sign? Then I have to either dispatch the entire set to you, or the branch have to open a new set. That's why I request all of you not to send any hard copy directly or through the branch. Though we are communicating it to the branch also, I know it has to be done by the branch. I know your problem, but we are communicating the same thing to the branch. But I don't know, somehow we are receiving the hard copy. So the modus operandi is all the branch will send us the AOF, scanned AOF on email, and we will check and advise the discrepancies. They will comply on the mail, and once we give the agree note that yes, it need to be dispatched, then only they have to dispatch, and meanwhile the account will open.
In this case, what will happen, ma'am?
I have to check for your case. If you just write in your chat box your trust name and when it was dispatched and the branch detail, I'll check it manually.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do that.
Thank you, Anshuman ji. Jeba Singh Jyoti.
Good evening, madam. I have two questions. Quickly, I will ask both of them. The first is, I am the treasurer of a church which was established in 1899 by the Act of the Constituent Assembly. My constitution is just half page. It says that we are formed as a Church of Scotland session in Madras, the then now called Chennai. And there is no designation for chairman, secretary, and treasurer, and all that. We are not coming under either the Register of Societies or the Register of Trusts. We don't file any returns with anybody. Of course, we file with the Income Tax Department. Now, my question is, if you say, you need certified copies from the registrar, you will not be able to provide any such document. Even our constitution itself is just a half a page, a downloaded copy. There is no certified copy by anybody. Now, my question is, would you accept this document, or what do I do?
Sir, how this entity is formed? In the beginning, you said something I missed.
It was formed by an Act of Parliament in 1899.
Sir, I have to see that, because if you are aware of this Global Tiger, they are also something like that is their case also, but it is being opened at our end. So in your case, you have to first send it to me. Let me go through it, and I will revert what can be done in your case. I have written in chat box again. I am mentioning it. And there you write Care Manisha Kirti, so that it come directly to me. I am again writing it on the chat box.
Okay, thank you, Jeba Singh Jyoti. Thank you so much. आपका समय sorry. Thank you. आपका समय खत्म हुआ. हाँ जी.
जोशी जी को एक बात और मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि you have to fill up Darpan ID also. So from Darpan ID, when you fill up all your details in Darpan ID portal, from there also you can generate a certificate that these are the board members and these are the.
Okay, so then can I generate the Darpan ID with my fresh members now, and then generate the certificate and give it to SBI?
Yes. Of course you have to get it done with the Darpan.
Okay, madam. We will do
next,
that.
Dr. Poonam Kumari.
Thank you so much.
Dr. Poonam Kumari next, please.
Namaste. BMVSA भुसरा महिला विकास समिति मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। हम लोग मुजफ्फरपुर बिहार से हैं। हम लोग मुजफ्फरपुर बिहार से हैं।
यस मैम बोलिए।
हाँ, तो यहाँ मुजफ्फरपुर में जितने SBI ब्रांच है, हम लगभग 5-6 ब्रांच में गए हैं। उन लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि हमारे पास कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है इस तरह का कि आपका अकाउंट हम खोलें। तो सबसे पहले तो लोग एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं अकाउंट खोलने के लिए।
मैम उसके लिए आप एक काम कीजिए, आप जिन जिन ब्रांच में गई हैं प्लीज उनका ब्रांच का नाम, अगर कोड है तो बेटर, अगर नहीं है तो आप ब्रांच का नाम, डेट अगर पॉसिबल है तो दीजिए, और जो कंप्लेंट वाला जो ईमेल आईडी मैंने चैट बॉक्स में डाला है प्लीज उसमें मेल कीजिए। आई विल लुक इनटू इट, है ना।
जी
थैंक यू पूनम जी। सुभाष मित्तल सर, सुभाष मित्तल जी।
कमीना आदमी है
सर, ये प्लीज आपके माइक बंद कर दीजिए कि उन्होंने जिन्होंने नए खोले हैं प्लीज, एंड इन पर्सनल टॉक मत करिए प्लीज। सुभाष मित्तल सर। सुभाष मित्तल जी।
हेलो।
हाँ
नमस्कार नमस्कार संजय जी, सुभाष मित्तल है।
नमस्ते सर।
मेरा एक ही क्वेश्चन था, मैंने चैट बॉक्स में भी डाला है मैम से कि जो ये अकाउंट है SBI का जो FCRA अकाउंट है, कैन इट बी यूज्ड टू डिपॉजिट लोकल FCRA? Say I have a sale of asset or I get refund of some advance that I have paid. Would I be able to deposit that money in the FCRA account, or is it meant only for FCRA foreign remittances?
No, you can deposit. You have to provide the CA certificate that it is the sale proceeds of fixed asset. You can
Okay.
deposit in that.
Because initially earlier I had heard from you that it is only meant for funds coming from foreign remittances, and you cannot deposit any local remittance here.
No, sir. This kind of remittance, suppose cancellation of ticket or this sale proceeds will be credited.
Okay.
All you
Thank you very
have
much.
to provide the certificate along with the instruction.
So every remittance has to be accompanied with a CA certificate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Thank you,
Thank you very much.
संजीव शील जी। संजीव शील।
मनीषा जी, आपका मेल आईडी एक बार फिर से डाल दीजिए, चैट बॉक्स में दिख नहीं रहा है।
मैं 2 बार डाली हूँ, मैं फिर से डाल देती हूँ।
somehow दिख नहीं रहा है इसके अंदर, आपको पुराना कंप्लेंट वाला भी नहीं दिख रहा है और अभी वाला भी नहीं दिख रहा है।
नेक्स्ट है संजीव शील।
हेलो सर, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ बताइए।
नमस्कार सर, मैं आंचल चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट से बोल रही हूँ। मेरा 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं। एक तो जैसे दर्पण आईडी में मैं मेंबर्स ऐड कर रही हूँ, मेरे 1-2 मेंबर मिसिंग थे। हेलो
बोलिए, आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
बताइए।
अच्छा, तो 2 मेंबर्स मिसिंग थे, तो उसमें से एक मेंबर का पैन आधार मेरे पास है, बट जब मैं डाल रही हूँ तो वो ले नहीं रहा। वो कह रहा है पैन नंबर जो है मिसमैच है, नेम और नंबर। तो उस कंडीशन में मैं क्या करूँ, जबकि पैन नंबर और मैं बिल्कुल करेक्ट डाल रही हूँ?
मैडम, यहाँ सिर्फ आप SBI से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछिएगा, मैडम दर्पण आईडी का नहीं जवाब दे पाएंगी।
एक्चुअली ये उसी से रिलेटेड है ना, क्योंकि उसमें जब तक
कोई बात नहीं। थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू। अजहर अली जी नेक्स्ट। अजहर अली
एक और क्वेश्चन है।
अच्छा पूछिए, चलिए पूछिए।
सर मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है, जैसे कि जब हम अकाउंट फॉर्म फिल कर रहे हैं तो उसमें जो हमारे मेंबर्स हैं अकाउंट खोलने के लिए, उनको तो CAF नंबर डाल के ऐड कर दिया। जो अदर मेंबर्स हैं, जैसे 4 मेंबर बचते, 3 सिग्नेटरी हैं, उसके बाद 4 मेंबर हैं, तो क्या उनकी ID लगाएंगे या एनेक्सर 2 भी भरेंगे उसके लिए?
हेलो, सबके लिए एनेक्सर 2 भरना है मैडम। जितने भी की पर्सन है ना, सिग्नेटरी प्लस बोर्ड मेंबर, सबके लिए एनेक्सर 2 भरना है।
सभी के लिए फिर CIF मैंडेटरी है?
हाँ जी।
हेलो।
ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम। अजहर अली जी बताइए। बोलिए, आवाज आ रही है आपकी।
हेलो,
बोलिए सर, आवाज आ रही है।
बोलिए अजहर जी, बोलिए।
हेलो
अजहर साहब बोलिए प्लीज, समय कम हो रहा है। आप कहीं बाहर हैं सड़क पे। हाँ जी बताइए।
किसी और को ले लीजिए।
क्या मेन ब्रांच में फाइल ले जाने हमारे पास कोई ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं आया कि मैं आपका अकाउंट खोलूं या आपका फॉर्म ले लूं? और इतने डॉक्यूमेंट चेकलिस्ट उसमें डाल दिया गया है कि उतना फुलफिल कर पाना बड़ा मुश्किल है। विथ ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट। वो सारे डॉक्यूमेंट क्यों जमा करें हम? 12 है, टीसी है या FCRA है?
तो इनका सवाल मैं समझ गया, ठीक है। आप अभी थोड़ा आपका बंद कर देते हैं। मैम, क्या सबको ओरिजिनल जो डॉक्यूमेंट है सबका फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन जरूरी है ना बैंक में?
सर, जो लोग जहाँ हैं अगर नियर बाई ब्रांच में वेरिफिकेशन करा सकते हैं तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन मुझे जरूरी है ओरिजिनल कार्ड के साथ।
ठीक है,
बट
बस
इन
ये
सम केस, अगर सम केस आपके ट्रस्टीज बहुत ओल्ड हैं, वी कैन अरेंज सम स्टाफ टू गो एंड सी ओवर देयर। सम केसेस वी आर डूइंग ऑन द बेसिस कि अगर उनका ऑलरेडी अकाउंट है तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू एकोमोडेट, बट रूल सेज वी हैव टू सी द हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ द ओरिजिनल्स आल्सो।
ओके, थैंक यू।
संजय जी, 2 more questions, क्योंकि मैडम को एक मीटिंग में जाना था 4 बजे। वी आर ऑलरेडी लेट, मतलब 6 मिनट ऊपर हो चुका है। वी कैन कंटिन्यू अप टू 16:10, है ना? तो 2 क्वेश्चन और ले लीजिए बस।
रत्ना दास जी, रत्ना दास। अजहर जी प्लीज अपना माइक इनका बंद कर दीजिए, रत्ना जी का।
रत्ना जी, अगर आपको आवाज आ रही है।
ओके, उर्वशी।
यस सर।
Yes, ma'am. Just
Hello?
wanted to check. Hello.
Yes, उर्वशी जी, आप बोलिए।
रत्ना जी, प्लीज आपका समय निकल गया। रत्ना जी का बंद कर दीजिए। उर्वशी प्लीज।
हाँ, I wanted to know कि अगर ये once we open this account, what happens to our old account? I have my old trust account, FCRA account in the SBI branch in Bombay. So the money that is in that, can that be utilized even after 31st March, or what happens to that?
मनीषा जी।
हाँ सर, ये तो बहुत बार कवर करते
हाँ,
हैं।
ये बात तो हो गया, मैं ख्याल में ये बात हो गई। उर्वशी जी, ये बात हो गई थी।
हाँ, इसमें कुछ नहीं है मैम, आप उसको that account can be used as utilization account.
Alright.
All you have to do is to get the product or change once you open account with us, with
Okay.
Delhi main branch.
Okay, thank you so much.
Operation Harvest.
संजय जी, लेट अस वाइंड इट अप। अपन आप लोगों में से जिनके क्वेश्चन छूट गए हैं या जिनके क्वेश्चन कवर नहीं हो पाए हैं, जो कि हम लोगों ने, जो दूसरे लोगों के क्वेश्चन में आपके क्वेश्चंस भी आंसर हो गए होंगे, लेकिन यदि अभी भी नहीं हो पाए हैं तो कल एक और वेबिनार है जिसमें मनीषा जी रहेंगी। वो दोपहर में 12 बजे से 1 बजे के बीच में है। देयर विल बी अनदर वेबिनार टुमारो फ्रॉम 12 noon to 1 PM, and I will send the link to Sanjay ji in Chetna. And if anybody want to join that webinar, they can come back tomorrow, because now we have to wind it up. She has to go in a meeting at 16:10.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Manisha ji. Thank you for your time, and thank you for coming here. And I think people are really happy, and most of their problems are answered, and I'm sure they will go back with a smiling face.
Sir, on a last note, I will just say, I know it's a tough situation for all of us, but all we need is your patience, and we are definitely trying our best, and we will definitely do it. So be relaxed. जो भी आपकी queries हैं, न्यू दिल्ली मेन ब्रांच की जो FCRA email IDs वगैरह है वो शेयर है सर। मैं पर्सनली भी आपको व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगी, आप शेयर कर दीजिएगा अगर मेरा चैट बॉक्स में नहीं जा रहा है तो। We are there for you, just don't worry, relax.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
राकेश जी।
Sanjay
Thank
ji.
you, मनीषा जी। Thank you.
Thank
बहुत
you.
धन्यवाद आपका समय के लिए। Thank you so much. आप सभी प्रतिभागियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। All of you have taken time to listen to this, and any updates, as we have said, you already in chat box. We will copy.
There is another webinar tomorrow. In case if anybody want to join that, you are most welcome.
And also that based on your questions, we are coming up with kind of Q&A, and that we will be sending to Manisha ji. The team is taking note, and if she approves, then that can also be circulated officially from SBI later, based on Q&A, the question which you have asked and what has been answered.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Thank you.
Pooja, आप